Never on the beat.
They have these are cheddas. They have spicy ones, mild ones, a lot of burgers. And that's the kitchen area where they make everything from scratch. And that's their menu. Anything you want, you place your order and it'll be made for you. Dan Krem. They may pronounce it good. Dan Krem. And he's the owner. He's been kind enough to let me shoot. Thank you so much, sir. My juices. Hakuna juice. Okay. So I've ordered. This is the menu. I've ordered vada pav burger. It's 200 shillings. That's the full menu. I want to try it, and they have some nice curries and sauces. Very nice. So this is a vada pav burger. Vada pav for 200 shillings. Everything here is veg. They don't serve meat. It's time to enjoy this. That is good. Let's try it with some sauce. Spicy, very spicy, but good. Finally, a clean plate. There's the lipana and pesa. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.